welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss 10 words that we have come across. The topic is new words during Corona pandemic. During this crisis, during Corona crisis, we have come across some words. Here the first word is lockdown. See, I have written a state of isolation or restricted access instituted as a security measure. So earlier this word was there earlier, but the meaning was a state of isolation or restricted access instituted as a security measure. But now the meaning that we have come across, that is not stepping out of the house except for buying bare necessities. Not stepping out of the house except for buying bare necessities. Okay, the word number 2, social distancing. Earlier we had the idea to be social, to become social, but here we are maintaining the distance, social distancing or physical distancing. Also we can say like this, social distancing or physical distancing, distancing between the people to avoid contamination, distancing between the people to avoid contamination. The governments are requesting the people to maintain at least 1 meter or 2 meter distance, like this. The third word, isolation. State of separating a patient himself. Isolation, this word also was there. Earlier it was there, but here the meaning that we have got, that is state of separating a patient himself. Fourth word, quarantine. This word also was there, but it was not that much familiar. So we had quarantine leave in the government sector. We had quarantine leave, but here consider this meaning: restriction on the movement of the people to prevent the spread of the disease. Restriction on the movement of the people to prevent the spread of the disease. Nowadays this word has become familiar. Janta curfew. This word, Janta curfew, curfew imposed by the people on its own. Curfew imposed by the people on its own. The government of India declared Janta curfew for 14 hours. Why? They asked the people to restrict your movement, to impose your movement, to impose curfew yourself. This is the thing, curfew imposed by the people on its own. Now, contingent workers. Contingent workers are also called migratory workers. Contingent workers or migratory workers, the workers who go to another place for earning. They normally leave their native land and sometimes go to some other states or go to some other countries for earning. PPE, personal protective equipment. This abbreviation we have come across during this period. PPE, personal protective equipment. Earlier also it was there, but it has become very famous right now. Quarantine. quarantine. When a group of families or friends choose to live together during this quarantine period. A group of families or friends, they stay together, okay? They choose to live together and they maintain all the restrictions. Pandemic and epidemic spreading worldwide or over a very large area. Pandemic and epidemic spreading worldwide or over a very large area. When it is epidemic, it actually does not cross international borders. But when it is pandemic, it must cross international borders. Now, the last word in this session, the word number 10 is Zoom bombing. Zoom bombing, an uninvited intrusion of internet hackers during a video conference. An uninvited intrusion of internet hackers during a video conference. Okay, today we have learned 10 words, and in a video that I shall make in future, I shall discuss some more words for you people.